Okay, so I've done the big area now. Put that drain in. I'm relatively happy with it. My pointing is not incredible, and I don't need anyone to tell me that. But what I'm going to do now, there's a few more loose slabs. I've got one over here, unfortunately. I've got one over here, big one. This one seems pretty loose. And then I've got these two here under my feet. I've got a little one there. There was another one somewhere. Oh, this one. So I'm going to lift them up, break out what's underneath them, and then mix up some more compo and put them back down. So nearly there, and then I'll go buy some more of that grout stuff. This stuff I've used over here seems to have gone in pretty well. But I think this is the wrong colour. I'm not too worried really. But I'm going to get the grey next time. Kind of got one bag of this left. I'll mix it in, kind of like transition the colour across. A bit rough, but never mind. By the time it's covered in moss and everything, you're not going to see it anyway. So I'll get some more of the other pointing stuff, and I can get it pointed up today, maybe, potentially. the sound of a cement mixer cleaning up. Always signified the end of a working day. So probably should do a little bit on what I've learnt. If I was going to lay a patio again, I'd use a sharp sand and cement mix, 4 or 5 to 1. I wouldn't even consider using building sand, and maybe a building sand in the mix, but definitely not building sand and cement. I'd also make sure it's solid bedded, and I want the joints to come up the side. That's how I want it from now on. I don't want to have to use this grouty stuff, which I've used in areas around here. You see me on the videos putting it in. I'd much rather use solid bed and grout come up the side and point it up. Yes, it is more work, but I think it's a better job. Also, I'd allow for water, adding this drain. You know, when I did it the first time, a bit short of cash. We probably should have spent more time. Also wanted to get it done because it's a huge patio. Should have put in more drains, so put that one in there. There's one over there, and you've got the stairs in the middle. So now it feels like there's enough kind of area to get this kind of, enough drainage to get the water off this area. We seem to be having heavier storms, kind of not such constant rain, but kind of deluges of water. And it's nice to have these drains to fetch it off when that happens. It saves it going back towards the house or washing stone away underneath like it did. So yeah, just a few lessons learnt over time. Okay, I think you agree, it's a huge transformation. It's taken hours and hours and hours of work to get it back to this. So part of me begrudges doing things like this. Like last week, I felt like I hadn't earned much money, but actually I'd saved loads of money because I hadn't got someone in to do this. It's charging $2.50 a day or whatever people charge. I've got it down, it's looking good. It's gonna last a long time. Obviously needs a bit more maintenance than perhaps I was. Try and keep on top of the problems. And there are slabs that I probably still will have to lift. I think it's going to be a case of probably redoing them all gradually over time now until they've all been done. But I've made a good start on it. There's definitely one or two over there that I think maybe I probably should have done. But it's re-grouted. I can keep looking at it, keep doing bits and pieces as I go. So next thing now is to restore my patio furniture. I've got quite a few different bits and pieces. See if I can make some good stuff out of them, make it look nice. And then I've got the other little patio. First world problems and all that. Next bit is sort out this area here. It's got our boiler. Looks an absolute mess. So yeah, stick around. We'll try and do some more areas. Also got given some more slabs. Gonna make a bit of an area around the pizza oven as well. Maybe make a tan door out of some cob. But I'm really pleased with how the patio's turned out. It's looking great.